The Kove 250RR, which caused a stir in China's entry-level sports bike market last year, immediately aroused the concern of bike fans. Now this motorcycle manufacturer is about to bring you the latest masterpiece 250RR in the 250cc segment. The news also revealed the appearance of the bike, confirming the rumors that the new car will be released. Wait a minute, isn't this the famous Honda CBR 250RR? To be honest, there are indeed many similarities. From the raised front fairing, the thin and flat headlight lines, as well as the air guide hole design of the side shell, the fuel tank, etc. There are a lot of CBR 250RR figures. That is to say, is this tribute a little late? According to the official pictures released by Kove, the Kove 250RR is currently available in white and black colors for fans to choose from. From the appearance, it can be roughly speculated that the 250RR will adopt a front right disc configuration and will be paired with the Chinese Taisco, of the same brand as the 450RR, pair of 4 calipers. In fact, the exterior design is slightly creative. The folded line extending from the side fairing all the way to the fuel tank that creates a visual sense of unity. In terms of the suspension system, if there are no accidents, the 250RR may be equipped with a local Yuan front fork. If there is a Pro version, it may come with Kove suspension as standard. Just a few days ago, the Kove IG page also updated the advertising materials of 250RR again. It seems that it will be too far away from the actual launch. Although the official data has not yet been disclosed, foreign media have recently captured what appear to be officially announced vehicle performance figures, comparing it with the 450RR. This is likely to be official information that will be exposed in the future. According to speculation, the maximum horsepower of the 250RR is 33 horsepower, and the top speed is about 160 kilometers. Although the horsepower is still smaller than that of the CBR 250RR, so its performance is already unsatisfactory among competitors in the same class. In recent years, competition in 250cc sports bike market has become increasingly fierce. In addition to local brands in China, small displacement sports bike from Japanese bike manufacturers have also undergone facelifts. In the future, the 250RR may also pose a threat to the Suzuki GSX 250R that has just been slightly revised. As the market heats up, I believe it will also have a certain impact on the future development direction of Chinese bike manufacturers,